Every camera brand today is bragging about their mirrorless camera lineup. In fact, Canon, Sony, Panasonic as well as Nikon, all of them have great mirrorless cameras these days. And let's see why everybody is talking about mirrorless cameras.
By the way, can I please request you to subscribe to this channel so that you get all the updates that we send. Also, it's a good idea to hit the bell icon so that you get instant notifications when we have new content.
Mirrorless cameras are typically smaller and lighter because they don't have the whole mirror assembly and motor required to flip the mirror up and down. They're also quieter because of the same reason and therefore excellent for event photography and a great asset in places where silence is important. The electronic viewfinder in the mirrorless cameras allows you to live preview and histogram for each picture before taking it. So visualizing the end result, especially in terms of exposure, is a lot easier. Many mirrorless cameras have on sensor that is in-body stabilization, which means all your lenses don't have to have image stabilizers. And finally, mirrorless cameras generally focus better and faster while shooting videos, so people who do a lot of filming work love these mirrorless cameras.